Good afternoon, everyone. So today we're going to review our past lesson. So we're just going to review for your test next week. So here we go. So it's all about fractions. Okay. So what are the types of fractions? The first one is proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? Proper fraction has a numerator that is smaller than its denominator. So where is numerator? This is numerator, this is denominator. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. So numerator that is smaller than denominator. Example, 2/4, 3/5, 4/8, 1/2. So those are the example of proper fractions. Again, proper fraction has a numerator that is smaller than its denominator. Numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. So, proper fractions. Next, improper fractions. So, what is improper fractions? Has a numerator that is equal to or greater than its denominator. Again, improper fraction has a numerator that is equal to or greater than its denominator. So 22/5. So numerator is greater than denominator. 22/5, 6/3, 5/5 or equal to 5/5, 40/16 or 40/16. So that is example of improper fraction. Number 3 is mixed numbers. Mixed numbers. A mixed number is a number that consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. Again, a mixed number is a number that consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. So 2 and 1/3. 2 is the whole number, 1/3 is the proper fraction. So whole number and proper fraction. That is mixed number. 2 and 1/3. So those are 3 types of fractions. Number 1 is proper fraction. Number 2 is improper fraction. And number 3 is mixed numbers. Okay? So now, solve examples on addition of like fractions. Addition, so meaning plus. Okay? Number 1, find the sum of 1, 9, and 4, 9. Okay, 1, 9, 4, 9. Addition of fraction. So, 1, 9 plus 4, 9. 1 plus 4/9 is 5/9. So, that's very easy, right? Number 2 example. Find the sum of 727 and 927. 727 plus 927. 7 plus 9 is 16 over 27. So, you cannot divide any more than 27. So, the answer is 16/27. Next, subtracting fractions. So, what is subtracting fractions? Minus, right? So, same denominator, subtract the numerator. So, these are the numerator and these are the denominator. 5, 6 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 2 equals 3, and then copy the denominator. 3, 6. Simplify. Simplify if possible. You divide into 3. 3 divide 3 equals 1. 6 divide 3 equals 2. That's why the final answer is 1/2 or 1/2. Okay. So we have another example. Different denominators. So meaning they are not the same. Okay. And this one is same and this one is different denominators. Use equivalent fractions. So 5, 6 minus 7/12. So to become the same, you multiplied 6 times 2 to become 12. So 5 times 2 equals 10. 6 times 2 equals 12, right? Then minus 7/12. Subtract the numerators. 10 minus 7 equals 3, and then copy the denominator. 3/12. Simplify if possible. 3 divide 3 equals 1. 12 divide 3 equals 4. So the answer is 1/4. Easy, right? Okay. Multiplying fractions. Multiply. So multiply 1 and 2 9 by 25. 1 and 2 9 times 25. 1 times 9 plus 2 equals 11/9 times 25. So 11 times 25 is 275/9. So you divide it. The answer is 30/5/9. That is multiplying fractions. Next, about decimals. Okay, so if you can say, you can write it. Okay, 1/10, 1/10, 100, 1/100, 2 and 2/10, 2 and 2/10, 8/10, okay, 9, 19 hundredths, 5 11 hundredths, 5 11 hundredths. So if 10, the decimal point is 1, only 1. If 100, the decimal places are 1, 2, right? So 1/10, 0.1. 1/100, 0.02. 2 and 2/10. So this is 10, that's why here is only 1. 2.2. 8/10, that is 0.8. 19/100, it has 2 decimal places, 1, 2, 0.19. 5, 11 in 100, so 5.11. So 100, it has 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So that is the answer, 5.11. Okay, so we have another example. There is a relationship between fractions and decimals. So for 10, this is fraction and this is decimal, 0.4. So it has 1 decimal places. For 10, 35/100. So when we say 100, it has 2 decimal places. From here, 1, 2. So that's 0.35. Okay, 35 hundredths. So what is 57/100 written as a decimal? That is 0.57 because it has 100. Okay, so that's the only review for your test. I will give you test next week. So today you don't have to make a quiz or to answer quiz. Okay, no quiz. I will give quiz next week. Review your books and study your lesson. Okay? Thank you and good luck. Goodbye.